Leadership is built on one thing, and without it, nothing else matters. It's not charisma, it's not strategy, it's not even vision, it's trust. John Maxwell calls this the law of solid ground. Trust is the foundation of leadership. If people don't trust you, they won't follow you, no matter your title. This law states that trust is the absolute bedrock upon which all effective leadership is built. Think back to the early 1970s. Richard Nixon was the president of the United States. He had power, resources, and one of the highest offices in the world. But after the Watergate scandal, everything crumbled, not because he lost his skills, but because he lost trust. The moment people stopped believing in him, his leadership collapsed. Without trust, there is no solid ground to stand on. That's the brutal reality of leadership. Now contrast that with Nelson Mandela. After spending 27 years in prison, he emerged not bitter, but determined to unify South Africa. People trusted his integrity, his consistency, and his sacrifice. That trust gave him the moral authority to lead a divided nation toward reconciliation. Mandela didn't just have a title, he had trust, and that's why his leadership legacy endures today. Maxwell says trust is built in three main ways. First, character. Who you are when no one's watching. Integrity builds credibility. Second, competence. People trust leaders who can actually deliver results. And third, connection. Trust grows when people know you care about them. So how do you apply the law of solid ground in your life? First, keep your word. If you promise something, follow through. Small, broken promises erode trust quickly. Second, admit mistakes. People don't expect perfection, but they do expect honesty. Owning your failures actually strengthens trust. And third, put others first. Show your team that you care more about them than just what they can do for you. When people know they can depend on you, your leadership influence multiplies. Trust is like the ground beneath your feet. Without it, leadership collapses. That's why John Maxwell reminds us, trust is the foundation of leadership. Build trust daily, and you'll have a platform strong enough to carry any vision. That's law number 6 of leadership, the law of solid ground. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more, and join me for law number 7, the law of respect. See you there.